Okay, it looks like Stanley Tools delivered. Now, the weight of the box, there's more than just a 16-foot measuring tape in there, a FatMax measuring tape. So, you're going to get to experience the opening with me. For those of you that seen my initial video talking about FatMax stand behind their tools and are doing a replacement, well, this is the evidence. So, here we go.
Go ahead.
Okay, for the reveal, here we go. This is a knife. The other knife. Well, at any rate, so here's the big reveal. FatMax.
Stanley Corporation.
And the Stanley Corporation making good on their tape measure. Like I said, I believe there's more than just a 16-foot FatMax tape in here. It's really heavy. Holy smokes. Come here. You got to see this. Look at this. Shine this in here.
Holy crap. Oh.
They just didn't send me a tape measure. They sent me a box of tape measures. This is like a lifetime of tape measures. So, back up. So, who would like a tape measure? I'm going to give away 2 of these tape measures to those that comment and subscribe. So, well, no, for those, tell you what, scratch that. I'm going to give 2 of these away. But I need to know that you're watching this, so comment, leave me your Facebook page, so I can make contact with you. Now this is a 16-foot FatMax 2. Stanley Corporation. See this? They came through. Good job, Stanley. FatMax. And thank you for watching. Thank you, Stanley, FatMax, for, man, this is mind-blowing. So, I'm speechless. That's kind of hard to make me speechless. This is so over the top, you know. So have a blessed day. Have a good adventure at your, I don't know, projects as you go through your life. Hope this makes a difference. Looking forward to hearing from you. So God bless. Bye for now and keep looking up. Here you go. They sent me 5 measuring tapes. I just, had to come back with a comment. I'll give 3 of these away. But I need to know you're out there, so put your Facebook page so I can make contact with you. Looking forward to hearing from you. So, Merry Christmas for those of you that get one of these tapes. How cool is that? Thank you, Stanley. Very cool.